The date helper CodeIgniter provides us includes lots of functions, very useful functions when working with dates. This code sample shows some demonstration for those functions. For example, the function now returns the current time. It can be either GMT time or the local computer time. It all depends on our setting in the configuration file. The Mdate function returns the time in a format according to letters we specify. Letters you must be familiar. You are probably familiar with from using MySQL. So here in this code sample, I use the Mdate function in order to get a specific timestamp and present it in a format according to these codes. The standard date function returns a string that describes the specific point in time. We will pass over as the second argument the time, and as the first argument there are codes, different codes for different standards we can use. For example, in this code sample I specified that I want a string representing the time in the format we all know when using RSS. So this is the output, this is the format. Local to GMT, GMT to local, MySQL to Linux, Unix to human, all those functions change the format into another format. So is the human to Unix. Timespan is a great function that receives two timestamps and returns the time span between these two points in time. In this code sample I passed over these two numbers, and this is the output I received from the time span function. Days in a month function just returns the number of days in a specific month in a specific year. Time zones receives a code for a specific time zone and returns the number of hours offset from GMT. Time zone underscore menu function creates a GUI component that allows the user to select the time zone he prefers. The second argument we can pass over to this function can be the name of a CSS class we want to govern the look and feel of this GUI component.